So over the last couple of weeks, Instacart bots have created a major problem when it comes to shoppers trying to go out and shop and claim batches. The batches will show up and then poof, they'll disappear. But there's also some things on the flip side where it's customers who are placing orders are also using bots to try to get quicker delivery slots when they become available, pushing other shoppers who are placing the orders out even further and further, where it could cause delays up to 5, 6, or 7 days. And that's what we're talking about right now. Hey everyone, Chris here from Real Rideshare Stories. If you're new to the channel and you're looking for different things within the rideshare industry, whether it's updates to what's going on, news, tips and tricks for passengers and drivers, or what happens on Real Rideshare Rides, start now by hitting that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Also make sure to check the description below for other helpful information and tips. So Instacart has been plagued with bots, and on the shopper side of things, we've talked about this on the channel a few times now already, how bots are grabbing and stealing batches from shoppers. But we're going to talk about on the flip side, and that is customers are using bots to snipe out delivery slots and actually get their deliveries done quicker and faster than somebody who may not use these bots, and they're beating those people out, which means they'll go back to the back of the line or have to look for delivery slots that could be days out. Now, this delivery slot snipe bot is actually a violation and against Instacart's terms of service. But on the flip side, unfortunately, it's not a violation of a bot grabbing batches. So everybody who's a shopper out there, unfortunately, that isn't a violation of Instacart's terms of service. Although there is a change.org petition going around trying to get signatures to have bots stop being allowed on the Instacart platform, so shoppers have a fair advantage of getting batches across the board instead of using something that could automatically accept batches right off the bat, and instead of seeing a batch come in, at least being able to look at it before for a normal person, but somebody who's using the bot would poof, it would be gone to everybody else that's there. Now back to the customer bot that customers are actually using. This is from Law Street, and it's titled "Delivery Scheduling App Shuts Down After Cease and Desist," because they are going after them if they find them. And this link will be in the description below, so if you want to check this out, you can. So it says delivery scheduling tool Cartdash shut down last Thursday after its developer Devin Koch received a cease and desist letter from Instacart. And similarly to Amazon Fresh and Whole Foods, Instacart uses a delivery slot system to schedule orders. Time slots have been filled quickly recently due to increasing online grocery sales during the pandemic. To ensure customers timely access to delivery slots, developers began making tools to grab the slots quickly and automatically. One of these tools, Cartdash, was designed for exclusive use with Instacart. So before Cartdash closed, its users could select the delivery slot of their preference, and the software would repeatedly refresh the checkout page until a new delivery window appeared. When asked if the system gave certain customers an unfair advantage over those who did not, Cox said, "At this point, it's a matter of awareness, not technical ability, since people who can use Instacart can use Cartdash." So similar tools for use with Amazon Fresh and Whole Foods have appeared, including a Chrome extension that notifies customers when delivery spots become available. Man Fong, the developer behind this extension, said, yes, it's unfair advantage over those who aren't tech savvy, but may still need to purchase items regularly or urgently. However, I tried my best to reduce this abused problem. Cartdash's system, according to the cease and desist, violates Instacart terms of service, which says users may only access the services through the interfaces that Instacart provides. Instacart clarified that Cartdash and similar independent tools are not affiliated with the company, and added that their practices infringe upon their trademarks. So as you can see right here, something that may be a Chrome extension or a program or something that could be used in order to get your Instacart delivery slot more available than somebody who's just trying to check it and figure it out, or maybe even refreshing the page themselves every 5 minutes or a couple of minutes or whatever it might be, just to see if a new time slot may open. So I was doing a little bit more research when I was trying to do a simple Google search on the bots, whether it's on the shopping side or on the customer side, and I came across this little job that was put out there on Freelancer. And as you can see, they are looking for slot grabber bots on through Chrome extensions. And what it essentially is for the job is that they want to make an Instacart bot that any user can use to snipe a delivery slot on Instacart. And the way it would work is that the user logs into Instacart and they cannot get a delivery slot, so the extension would check every X amount of seconds until it finds an available slot and selects the earliest that comes up and will check the user out. So to use the app, the users will actually get one free checkout with Instacart as a trial version, and then after that they're going to have to buy 5 checkouts for $25. So you can see, yes, there are people who are trying to create these bots, whether it might be on the shopper side, which we've all seen as Instacart Shoppers and grabbing those batches, but also these sniper delivery slot app bots that are also going on the customer side. So the craziest thing about this whole bot on Instacart and how they handle it is that when it's a violation of their terms of service, like the customer delivery bots, these are the bots that are tried to be found and taken down and dealt with, and the cease and desist letter has been given to something like Cartdash, even though there are going to be several other bot apps out there. Now, on the shopper side, for shoppers who are trying to go out there, shop, deliver the food, and make some sort of money, they're the ones that are getting screwed because it's not against Instacart's terms of service, which in my opinion is really crazy how they're handling both sides of this. Now comment below and let me know what your thoughts are on it. That's the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe and ring the bell for notifications so you'll be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Make sure to check the description below for other helpful information and tips. And as always, never drink and drive. Always tip your drivers, your delivery drivers, and your shoppers. And we'll see you next time.